Castroville Branch Library. Today we're going to make ice cream in a plastic bag. All we need are some simple ingredients such as bags and ice and some milk. So stay tuned. I hope you like this video.
For this project we'll need simple materials. Hopefully you have them at home. Milk or half and half. Ice cream salt is best, but if you have regular salt that will work. Vanilla extract, sugar, ice, gallon size Ziplock bags, sandwich size bags, and just some measuring tools. The first step is to get your milk or your half and half and one of the smaller sandwich bags, and then you're going to put half a cup inside the bag. Be careful not to spill, but of course it's alright if you do. So half a cup of the half and half is what we're using, and we're putting it right inside this bag. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract right inside with the half and half. And we're going to get our sugar and take a tablespoon and put it inside. Get that all together. Make sure you zip it up so that there's no air left in the bag. Then we're going to take the big bag and we're going to put 4 tablespoons of the rock salt inside. Make sure you don't put it in with the small bag though. Have all your salt in the bag, you can put your small bag in there and then you fill it with ice. And once you have it filled with ice, you just go ahead and shake it. Shake, shake, shake it. For about 5 to 8 minutes, and then you'll see that the liquid has solidified a little bit. It's a little clumpy, but it has a consistency of ice cream now. Once I open it up and give you a closer look, you can see it hopefully. I'll get a spoon and then you can see it real good. So it looks just like vanilla ice cream. And just so you know that I'm not playing around, I'll actually taste it, and it tasted pretty good.
Alright everyone, that was the video. I enjoyed the ice cream, I hope you do too. And if you stop on by Castroville, don't forget to say hi.